Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can split a cell in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. There are two main ways to split cells. The first is when you have merged cells. In that case, simply select the merged cell, go to the Home tab, and click Merge and Center again. This will instantly unmerge it back into individual cells. The second method is when you have multiple pieces of text inside a single cell and you want to separate them into different columns. For this, select the cell, go to the Data tab, and click on Text to Columns. Here, you'll get two options, delimited or fixed width. If your data is separated by spaces or commas, choose delimited. If it's aligned evenly, use fixed width. After selecting your option, click Finish and Excel will neatly split the content into separate columns. This is super handy if you're working with names, addresses, or any large dataset that's stuck in one column. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.